Welcome to the series of seminar videos on Germanische Heilkunde, by Dr. Dr.Hamer, MD. This seminar video is about the sensible biological special programs of the ear. The task of these SBS is always in the active phase, once through cell proliferation, to achieve a functional enhancement. Another time to warn by ear noises from imminent danger. I will explain the symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase. Several case examples will be used to make the various associated conflict contents understandable, such as auditory morsel, auditory conflict, and so on. The objective is to be able to correctly interpret symptoms such as tinnitus, middle ear infection, gradual hearing loss, sudden hearing loss, vertigo, etc. You can learn more about this in the approximately 1-hour seminar video.